Today, the 29th of February, about lunchtime. Just a little short video on my seed sets. My okra does not like the seed set pots, nor did my fresh bell pepper seed. So I gave up on them. Everything else doing pretty dang good. Give it a little bit of water today. This grow light is doing great, so it was worth the expense to get your seed set started. Can't put them in the house because my cats would molest them too much, so it's not an option. That cool front came in. It's about 58 here inside the building. Outside it's 51. So again, this foam insulation. And a couple days ago it got up in to the 80s. Super humid. I was thinking, well, ain't no big deal. I'll slip on the air conditioner real quick. And I'm low on refrigerant, which means you have a leak. And I got a contractor out there. Yep, got a leak in A coil, and he and I didn't see eye to eye on the workmanship to replace the entire system. He was going for a low-end install on a high-end house. I said, partner, we're not going to be on the same page on this. Thank you for your time. And I've got another one coming today. It's owned by a group of veterans. I think we'll do better. And meet them at the house about an hour or so. So it'll be a short day up here. Really nothing to do right now. And watered the plants, filled up the bird feeders, filled up the bird bath. That's pretty much it. So I'll load my stuff up back in the truck and head towards the house. Tomorrow is the first day of March, so I switch back over to my Ram 3500, drive it during March, leave the Ford parked in the driveway. Just kind of swapping back and forth. Saves wear and tear, and you got to drive a vehicle or it'll mess up just by being parked too long. So that's my plan rest of this year. So anyway, like I said, that's about all for this one. Thank you.